Pakistan National Council of the Arts has organized 2 day special puppet shows to create awareness on child protection, mental health and climate change. National Puppet Theatre is presenting message-oriented puppet shows since last 4 decades to keep alive and promote traditional puppetry on one side and create awareness on various social issues and their solutions on other side. 3 new puppet stories with beautiful music, artistic set and props, animated colorful back projection on road puppets have been presented by National Puppet Theatre and Child Art Workshop of Pakistan National Council of the Arts. In collaboration with Secour Islamique France, Secour Islamique France is working in Pakistan since 2010 in field of hygiene, sanitation, provision of clean water, food security and children's rights. S.I.F is working in less developed area for orphan children and their mother. Mr. Altaf Abru, head of mission of S.I.F, took initiative in 2021 to create awareness on social issues through puppetry in collaboration with PNCA. Since then, PNCA and S.I.F has presented theme-based puppet shows for children and elders to enlighten them our collective responsibility of financially sound families to help those who are deprived of financial and basic necessity of life. Importance of education for girls and boys equally, ways to earn livelihood through small level business, skilled works and entrepreneurship. Before presenting the puppet show, panel discussion on child protection were held wherein the guest speakers. Repeat. This year PNCA and S.I.F have decided to present special stories on the current era's challenging issues which include alarming increasing in child abduction, rape and killing cases, rise in mental diseases and climate change. Before presenting the puppet show, panel discussion on child protection were held wherein the guest speakers Muhammad Ayub Jamali, Director General and Miss Shabana Ashraf Dai, Director PNCA, discussed the role of PNCA in burning awareness of social issues through various art forms including puppetry. Mr. Jamali suggested to work in close liaison with various government organizations, NGOs and NGOs established for child protection. He expressed his great concern over the rising ratio of child abuses and non-reporting such cases by the parents and victim. Ms. Shabana Dai, Director PNCA, emphasized on need to realize effective role of art and culture in shaping the society, enlightening masses over the social issues and their solutions through puppetry, stage plays, exhibition and workshops. Mr. Imtiaz Khalid Sumro, guest speaker from Sahel, has discussed the relevant law provision for child protection and criminal clauses and sentence in laws for addressal of grievance of the victims. He informed even law provides remedy for bad touch. Mr. Rabia Haider, Director General of Child Protection Institute, discussed the ways to create awareness on the issue. Role of parents in encouraging their children to discuss with their parents and seek guidance from them in case if they are facing any kind of harassment. Ms. Feroza Zahar, Country Program Manager, and Dr. Fozia Farooq, writer of the puppet story Bachpan Nagar Ka Qissa, discuss the elements of hesitation and resistance among parents, guardians and elders to report the matter in case if their child is abused physically, sexually or mentally. Dr. Fozia Farooq also shared her hesitation to write a script on the matter which is considered as taboo in the society. After panel discussion, PNCA presented special puppet show wherein the main story, Bachpan Nagar Ka Qissa, on-road puppets with animated visual graphics, artistic set designs was presented. The story revolves around children, their parents and 3 evil characters, Lalchi, Jhasa and Drava. In various situational scenes, Drava Lalchi, and Jhasa attempt to trap children, but they fail because their parents have guided them to say no to any offer given by stranger. Refuse to go away with stranger, avoid physically touch with elders, resist blackmailing. The other special story, Mujhe Uncha Udna Hai, was based on puppet character of Shani, who was facing some mental stress and depression due to non-sharing of his feelings with others. Lack of communication and excessive use of mobile phone, internet and social media apps. However, his teacher arranged a counseling with psychologist who guided him to explore his hidden talent. Shani won the song competition held in his school after overcoming his mental stress. Third story was presented on climate change, whereby Babu, Papu, glove puppets, and Fairy enlightened the audience regarding the causes of climate change, which include deforestation, increasing population, smoke and chemical emitted from factories, vehicle scrap left over burning, usage of polythene and plastic bags are causing rise in temperature on Earth, which are major cause of climate change. Climate change has become a challenging issue which is causing melting of glaciers, flash floods, strong windstorms on one side and low level due to low rains which is tuning the green lands into barren lands. Ferry has told the audience to install filter plants in factories, use petrol instead of diesel, and do plantation. Increase forest area up to 25% to combat climate change. PNCA and S.I.F also organize national songs competition among orphan children to encourage them to learn and excel in singing. Pot competition among widows was arranged to encourage widows and orphan children to use their skills for as an earning source through making decorative products. After 400 audience attended the show, audience and guest speakers applauded. The contribution of PNCA and S.I.F is presenting the special puppet show to create awareness on child protection, mental health and gravity of the climate change which will engulf our lives in coming years if no corrective measures are initiated in time.